Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Quadpay to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Step 1. Click install link in your Quadpay merchant portal to add Quadpay payment gateway to your store. You can find the link on the settings page on your Quadpay account. You will automatically be taken to the Shopify site. Step 2. Log into your Shopify account. Step 3. After logging in, you will be asked to approve adding Quadpay to your store. Click install payment provider. Step 4. You will be taken to the Shopify payment provider page. Under alternative payments, select Quadpay from the drop-down list. Step 5. Copy and paste your merchant ID and API key provided in the Quadpay merchant portal. Don't add any extra spaces or character to these fields. Step 6. Click the Save button to save your credentials and activate Quadpay as a payment method on your Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.